Hey YouTube, this is Tanner here from FCP Euro for another really quick product review. Today we're going to be talking about the spec single mass aluminum flywheel. Now, the reason you might want to transfer to something like this for your N54 car over the factory dual mass flywheel or a steel flywheel is this is actually 14 pounds. The factory flywheel is 32.5. So what that translates to for you is a much more responsive feeling when you engage the clutch and a much faster rev time. So whether you're at the track or just driving around town, your car is going to feel a lot lighter and more fun to drive. This specific aluminum flywheel is for N54 cars, 1 Series, 3 Series, or 5 Series, up to 1 of 2009. There's a second style for after 1 of 2009. So make sure you check your vehicle build date before ordering, and our site will guide you through the process of what you're going to need. Some of the pros of a single mass flywheel, as I've mentioned, are lighter shifts, much more reliable engagement on the clutch. It can handle a lot more power than the dual mass flywheel can from the factory, and it's much more reliable. Now, some of the cons you may notice, some people complain of the chatter, which depending on your forte or what you're doing with your vehicle is something you might care about or something you might not care about. In that case, it might be something you might want to jump into the steel flywheel for, which spec also makes a billet steel single mass flywheel that comes in at about 25 pounds. However, if you, like me, and you want something that's going to be as race car as possible, this is probably the best option for you. All right, so to wrap things up, if you're going to be transitioning to a new replacement clutch, if you're doing any work on the trans or your trans coming out for any reason, it's a great time to replace this flywheel as well. You do have to use a spec clutch with the spec flywheel. As with any single mass flywheel, you really need to upgrade your clutch. But this is what I'd be doing in my personal car and will be doing to my personal car, so I highly recommend it. So this has been another really quick product review. If you liked it, please hit the like and subscribe buttons, and don't forget to hit the bell.